Leaving our mooring outside the large retail and leisure complex of Trafford Park, we travel in a southerly direction to Waters Meeting, where we join the original main line of the Bridgewater Canal and head southwest. Passing through the residential suburbs of Manchester, of Stretford and Sale, watch out for the Victorian Linotype Factory, dated 1897, where metal printing type was manufactured, snuggled in amongst the new housing being built. After Sale, the scenery changes to a more rural setting with views of open fields, and it is here we find a lovely mooring within a short walking distance to Dunham Massey Hall.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everyone.
And welcome to our vlog. You join us on a bright and sunny day.
Yeah, bright and sunny, wintry day. It's
a bit cool.
Yeah, 1.5 I think it is this morning.
Yeah.
So it is a bit on the cool side.
Yeah.
But I think it's going to be a lovely cruising day today. They forecast sunshine for the
Hopefully.
next few hours with a little bit of cloud this afternoon.
Yeah.
So yesterday was a fairly long day.
Yep.
Actually, I should have worked out the mileage, but I didn't. And we went from Lee to here, which is just outside the
Trafford Centre. Which is a big
Manchester.
For our American viewers, it's a big shopping mall, and it's huge, absolutely huge. Well, in comparison, in English terms, it's huge.
In English terms, it's huge. Yeah, yeah, and they're doing it up. Apparently they're spending £73 million on it.
Yeah.
So I mean, a
lot of work going on. You may be able to hear it.
Yeah, I mean, how much work they've done so far, I don't know. I can't remember what it was like before the work started, but it's certainly quite nice now. Obviously, it's still a work in progress, but.
It's lovely, absolutely lovely. Lots of marble and stuff like that, which is really nice.
Grecian statuettes.
Yeah, it's really great. But we literally moored right outside and walked in.
Just 5 minutes.
There's a gate literally on the canal that takes you straight into the centre.
Yeah. It's not something we would normally do, but it is 3 weeks before Christmas. So,
yeah, and actually, surprisingly, it wasn't as busy as I thought. But then. It is a midweek, so
we didn't expect to get this far, but we kept on going because actually we're quite short on water, aren't we?
Yeah, we're getting a bit low.
All the water the 2 water taps that were supposed to be on the Bridgewater coming through weren't there. Or we didn't watch it. We didn't.
And the Elson.
We didn't see any of them, and the Elson point was closed.
Yeah. So we've got to push on today and get done today.
Yeah, so we're pushing on today. So it'll be another longish cruising day today.
Yeah.
We just spent a couple of hours in the shopping centre last night.
Had a meal, didn't we?
Had a meal, and because we had such a long day.
Yeah.
And we've not really got enough water for washing up.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we thought we'd have a good excuse for a meal out, isn't it?
That's it. Exactly.
So
why not? Don't do it very often.
So today we're hoping to go from here to Lymm, which again is a fair old cruising day, and what I'll do is I'll work the mileage out and put it in, or Pat will put it in during the editing.
Yeah. But anyway, we better get moving because time's getting on. So
yeah, and we'll speak to you
You're
later.
welcome to come along. Yeah. And we'll see you at the end.
Yeah.
Bye for now. There you go. That's where we're leaving. It's a lovely morning. Nice straight canal though, but a little bit industrialised, but the shopping centre is actually over there. You can just about see it through the trees. It's the Trafford shopping centre. Sun's a little bit in the eyes this morning, but I believe to the right is the Kellogg's factory, or at least what possibly used to be the Kellogg's factory. It may even still be the Kellogg's factory. I'll turn round when we get a bit further up, because the sun's a little bit bright. You probably aren't seeing much. But see how we go. I think this is the Kellogg's factory, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
You can smell it, can't you? Smell it in the air. Smell the sweetness.
So we've just come out of the junction. That's where we've just come out of. And turning left that way will take you into central Manchester. And obviously we've done a right turn towards the Trent and Mersey. So there's a little marina here, and they have a water tap and an L-sand point. So we've asked if we can use it. The lady kindly came out and asked if we were okay.
You could top up with some diesel.
And we can use the water point and the L-sand. So that was Stretford Services. We've been here for probably about an hour or so. And they allowed us to use all of the facilities, so even to get rid of the rubbish. So that was brilliant, because not many marinas like you to get rid of your rubbish, because they have to pay for it to be taken away. So so she was really accommodating and said, if you've got any rubbish to get rid of, there's bins around there as well. So brilliant. So we're all topped up, aren't we, honey?
We are, indeed.
All topped up and
Yeah.
emptied out.
Emptied out, loads of coal, loads of kindling, loads of wood.
Yeah, so we're all set, aren't we,
Loads
now?
of food.
For a few more days.
Well, for a few more days, anyway. Yeah.
So yeah, brilliant. So this is Stretford that we're going through now, a little suburb of Manchester, and the railway line runs literally right next to us here. So this is Watch House Cruising Club. So quite a few moored boats on the offside of the towpath.
On the Bridgewater Canal.
Yeah, on the Bridgewater Canal.
We've now got 7 days, haven't we?
We've got 7, yeah, well 7 days from yesterday, so we've got 7 days on here with our CRT licence from yesterday, so this is day 2.
Because the Bridgewater Canal is a private canal, or?
We've just been overtaken by some canoeists on this stretch, so luckily it was wide enough, because they did need some width with all of their oars. So we pulled over near to the towpath and allowed them to pass.
Long and straight, this part of the canal. It really is. And the train runs alongside as well, but it's just so long. No wonder the rowing clubs like it. I bet they get up to some speeds up here.
Looks like there's some nice balconies on those flats. What are you up to, honey?
Well, you caught me eating cake. But not just any old cake. This is homemade chocolate cake, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Well, it's a luxury.
So you're enjoying it then?
No, brilliant. Getting a bit nicer out here. nice spot to moor, isn't it?
This is a bit better here, isn't it? Well, this is a nice little mooring spot. We saw it here, slightly wider towpath, and we thought, well, that's got our name on it. So we are near Dunham Massey. I think we've got Dunham Massey Park nearby, and it's about 2:15, I think. So we probably needed to stop at some point. We were on the lookout for a mooring spot, and this one popped up.
What are you doing, honey?
Making a cushion cover.
Making a cushion cover.
Yeah.
Show me.
Well, I'm making.
Show our viewers what you do during the winter on our boat.
I'm making one of these.
Ah,
a cushion cover.
A cushion cover.
Yeah, it's not for us.
Oh, okay. Have you made any others?
I've done that one.
Yeah.
This one.
And you made that one as well. Very nice too. Oh. Lovely. This is what you get up to, is it?
And I've been doing Christmas bags.
And Christmas bags.
For the children.
For the children. Lovely. Very nice.
And that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And subscribe. And once you've subscribed, you can hit the bell icon for notifications of future videos. Thanks for watching.